Hello guys, and welcome to another market update video. Today we're going to take a look at Bitcoin as usual. We're going to take a look at a little bit bigger time frames. Not going to really look at some scalp zones today. We had a scalp zone from naked VWAP, also a TPOC down to around 630. Gave some recoil. I've taken 2 trades on it. The first trade gave me nothing, a small loss. So nothing to brag about for sure. But I took another one on the 1 minute and I can show you what I did. It was pretty much a 1 minute SFP of this low. SFP get in here, and this wasn't a main trade. In terms of main, I'm talking about 1% risk on my main account. This was not on my main account. So, the ginormous trade, I made a little bit, reduced the risk on this first one, this flip zone, and I took the next one around this highs, previous resistance, and next one will be around VWAP if I survive during the night, no clue. The risk is removed, and it wasn't a trade of any crazy ideas, to be honest. And I don't make anything ginormous from it if it goes to full TP anyways. But we have this weekly below, which may give something, feeling this impulsive move, but I'm not really looking for any scalps right now. I'm going to share some scalping ideas and trading zones, day trades tomorrow before New York. I don't really have any of that to talk about right now. We can take a look at my hard time frame chart, which is the main thing for this video. This zone above remains key SNR, key lows, flip to key resistance. So the question is, we have made a higher low for now. The question for me would be if we potentially form a lower high up here, or if we potentially could get some strength and either break this high, then my thing would be to look for a pullback down here to long up to 71k. But if you're a swing trader, just sticking to the extremes would be a really good idea, in my opinion. Just sticking to extremes and not really stressing anything in the middle. And you can also look at these fibs, which I find extremely important. We can do key levels, and you can see anchor VWAP. We have major anchor VWAPs in here. We have golden pocket and 786 and this high. So watching these zones could be a great idea. Watching this key SNR is very important. And watching these lows at 59, 60k remains a key thing. And we also have this 48, 49, which remains a really interesting area, at least for me, to watch for reactions. And I'm gonna bid more spot here, 100% sure. And also I'm gonna look for a swing long around here if we get a chance sooner than later. Who knows, maybe we don't get it never, or we get it in 2 months, time will tell. But this is still an extremely good zone. We have a few levels to watching here as well. We have a few poor lows and poor highs. Poor high at 67 to 90. We have a poor low at 62. And a poor high at 64, 770. So this is key zones. Also have a few time POCs. This time POC is right in a new weak level as resistance, which is extremely interesting to me. So I'm going to look for trades both here and this 63 area, just based on that. And we have other confluences there as well. So this is confluent with other things. So great zones to watch. We can also have a look at the news events. We have some news on Tuesday, nothing on Wednesday, and we have Thursday, which in my opinion is the main event of the week. And we have something on Friday as well, but the only red followers are on Thursday this week. But as you know, the main event remains the Trump situation, Iran situation, war situation. It's a mess. I know you guys are tired of it. I'm just as tired as you are, and it's a tragic war, to be honest. It's just tragic. And if it was up to me, I would wish it would be done for the people, and the innocent people getting killed. I find it horrible. But it's the world we live in, and we just need to live every day and take every day with a smile, to be honest, because you never know what happens. Other than that, I want to just wish you a fantastic week, because I know many of you would likely see this video tomorrow. I'm gonna try to be active and post many videos for you. I'm gonna post a learning video during the weekend, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, wish you a fantastic week, and I'll see you all with a new video tomorrow. Bye.